Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. So in the first step we need to go to search bar, then simply type your device manager, and then from the search results we need to click here to open it. So once we are here, we need to search for display adapters. So here it is, we need to simply expand it. So click here to expand it, then from the display adapters right click here and select properties. Now we need to update the drivers. For that, select drivers tab, then click on update driver. First of all, we will choose this option, search automatically for drivers. Make sure you are connected with your internet, then simply click on it. The best drivers will be installed automatically. Then close this window, then again go to update drivers, select browse my computer for drivers. So select this and click here, select this and click on next. So there we go. Now close this window, again go to search bar, type in settings and click here to open it. On this window we need to select display, then just scroll down and from scale we need to select 100%. This is recommended, so just click on it and change it to 100 and click on this. Once done, go back and try to change the display resolution as per your convenience, and there we go, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.